Hi, I'm Alex with 128 Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electric, and today we're going to be talking about the pipelining installation process. Pipelining is a great option for customers who potentially might have cracks, tree roots, cloggings, or any type of backup in the home. The first thing that you're going to want to do is call 128 to schedule a drain specialist to come out and do a camera inspection of your main line. This is what we call our sewer certification process. Some of the things that we are going to be able to identify during the sewer certification is if there are tree roots, cracks, the condition of the pipe, and the pitch. So what is pipelining? Pipelining is a rehabilitation process of repairing a main sewer line by adding a liner from inside of the main line. The liner gets cured with UV lights to adhere to the original pipe and makes it stronger than ever. After this process is complete, we're able to provide our customers with a peace of mind and no more backups. All right, let's go through the steps of pipelining.